Temporal fossae in reptiles. These temporal fossae may be none or no temporal fossae, or sometimes it may be two temporal fossae present in animals. If there is no temporal fossae, the movement of the jaws is very low or none. If two temporal fossae are present, for example in amphibians, reptiles, efficient chewing mechanism or powerful biting mechanism is present. That is very important, especially in the reptiles, and also in the frogs or amphibians. They can move their head very fastly to catch the prey. So due to the presence of this temporal fossae in reptiles, they can move their head very fastly, they can move their jaws very flexibly to catch the prey, to masticate or to chew the food material very easily. So chewing means there is no perfect chewing in these organisms, but movement of jaws is very important. These are anapsid temporal fossae. In the anaptal temporal fossae, actually this is eye socket, this is eye socket. Behind the eye socket, actually there is no temporal fossae in these animals. So these are called the anapsid, no temporal fossae in these animals. These are turtles and early reptiles. That jaw movement is very restricted, biting mechanism is not present in these animals, but whereas later in the reptiles the diapsid skull is developed. This is eye socket. Behind the eye socket there are two holes are there. Two holes means two temporal fossae are there. With the help of these temporal fossae, these muscles are attached. While these muscles are retracting or contracting, with the help of these two temporal fossae, can provide flexibility to catch the prey or to widens the mouth or jaws. These are present in crocodiles, lizards, snakes, dinosaurs and birds. Obtain the food material or prey very easily with the help of these dicondylic or the temporal fossae present in their head region or skull region. These are attached at the temporal fossae. This temporal fossae facilitate the chewing or biting mechanism. Especially this is biting mechanism. The evolution of temporal fossae is at the beginning reptiles. There is no temporal fossae. Those are called the anapsid. For example, turtles and other early reptiles. But later, two holes called the two temporal fossae is developed, providing flexible movement in the skull with the help of muscles. These muscles, along with this temporal fossae, two temporal fossae, are facilitate the movement of head and jaws very flexibly to catch the prey.